A lot of you have been asking, begging, demanding, saying, James, when are you finally going to show a Hyatt on the channel? And when are you going to get down to Cabo, San Lucas? I'm checking both of those tasks off in this video today. This is Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos. This is one of the nicest all-inclusives in this area. I booked the cheapest room available here. It's an Ocean View Master King, and for the money, I am blown away by how nice this room is. I wasn't even going to give a room tour on this property, or really any room tours at all during this Cabo trip. I got here, and initially, seemingly, this room is really, really nice. The balcony is huge. It has views over both the pool, the beach, and the ocean. Inside, there is so much space, and I'm gonna get it started in the room that is the most luxurious and the coolest, the bathroom. Double sliding doors lead you into the bathroom, and once you enter, you realize how special this room is. This room is large, it is luxurious, and has some really neat, cool, interesting features. The first thing I noticed when I entered the bathroom was the elegant and exotic stonework. The single vanity has a large marble counter, and it is punctuated with a really cool external sink. I'm really liking the huge mirror that goes all the way to the ceiling. It really amplifies light, making it nice and bright and warm in here. I'm liking the tile behind it. It's just a cool little touch. And the amenity kit offers you a little bit of everything in case you forgot something at home. But by far the coolest thing in this bathroom is the shower. This thing is gargantuan. It has to be 6 by 6. You can easily fit 10 adults in here if you wanted to. It has wall-to-wall marble, a true rain head that descends directly from the ceiling, and a giant open-air window that gives you not only survey over the rest of the room, but a little bit of a peekaboo view of the ocean as well. So leaving the bathroom, that gets us to the foyer, the entrance of the room. There's two things that I want to really show you here. One, these robes. These are waiting for you in the first closet when you enter. They are pretty much the best robes I've ever seen at any hotel, and that is a big statement. I'm loving the micro check design. It has contrast stitching, and these are the perfect weight for the Caribbean environment. And then the second thing I want to show you is, of course, the minibar. That is one of the biggest questions I get, is what is the minibar like? Not all inclusives do minibars the same. There are ones that do it good and ones that do it not so good. The Hyatt Ziva, I'd say, offers a pretty standard minibar. Not the best, but certainly not the worst. It's kind of mid-road. You have some snacks waiting for you on top of the refrigerator, some complimentary mini waters, and then you have your assortment of soda, juices, and of course, a couple cervezas. And then here we are in the bedroom, and really the bed makes or breaks an all-inclusive hotel room. If you have an awesome room and a terrible bed, that's a deal breaker. But if you have a terrible room and an amazing bed, that is a trip saver. This bed is nice. It is springy, it is firm. I like to see my tropical beds be a little bit softer, but this bed will definitely not impede a good night's sleep. Three other really cool things about this bedroom very quickly. Number one, the TV area. Yes, there is a TV on the wall and it's adequately sized. I don't watch TV in the tropics, so that's really a moot point, but what's cool is what's beneath it. There is a large and elongated countertop area. It can act as a makeshift desk or a makeshift vanity area. Secondly, I'm really digging the accent wall above the bed. It has these really cool shutter lights. I've never really seen those before in a hotel room. And it is punctuated by this big, beautiful piece of art. It gives this room a little bit of personality and a little bit of character. And thirdly is the open air window. You can peer directly into the bathroom when it is open. When it is left open, it really gives this room a large, spacious, open air type of feel. I have to show you this balcony. Just wait until you see this. But before I get to that, I would quickly want to talk about this family room. It is indeed a family room. Hyatt Ziva is pretty much a family all-inclusive. That's the main demographic this property caters to. If you are going to fit more than one person in this room, you're not going to be cramped. There's more than enough room for you and others to decompress. There is a large, comfortable sofa, perfect for lounging and even sleeping an extra person. And then there are two large chairs and even a larger table, perfect for ordering room service at night, sharing a coffee in the morning, or maybe even getting some work done. And then lastly, the piece de resistance, the balcony. For being the cheapest room available here at Hyatt Ziva, I'm highly impressed with this balcony. It is large, it is spacious, and it has phenomenal views. I have views of both the ocean and the beach. I can keep my eye on all the action, check out the waves, check out the people. I can pretty much jump down there anytime I want. And even better than that, I have a direct view into both of the pools down here. There are 3 pools here at Hyatt Ziva. I'm overlooking both the family pools. If you want to see how busy it is, who's down there, maybe there's an activity, you can keep your eye on the pools at all times from this room and really get down there at a moment's notice. So initially, seemingly, this room seems nice, especially given it's the cheapest room available here at Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos. Who knows though, this is just my first impression. I've only been here for a couple hours. My mind could change. We are gonna find out. But not in this video. This is just my room tour. If you want to know everything I do and what my final thoughts are, make sure you check out my experience video. I'm going to go to all the pools, check out the beaches, the bars. I'm trying to find some really cool drinks and who knows what else. If you want to know what I think about it, make sure you check out that video. Eventually, I'll drop a link in the description below.